Science is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. Science has a specific role as well as variety of functions for the benefit of our society, creating a new knowledge, improving education and increasing the quality of our lives. Science must respond to social needs and global challenges. The National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February in order to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. The celebration aims to highlight the achievements of famous Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman, who won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. The Government of India observed the first National Science on 28th February 1987. The National Council for Science and Technology Communication helps scientific institutions in coordinating National Science Day. The event is celebrated across the country in schools, colleges, universities, and scientific research institutions. National Science Day is celebrated by organizing public speeches, science movies, science exhibitions, debates, quiz competitions, lectures, etc. On this day, government felicitates the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Awards to the scientists who have done outstanding work in the field of science. It creates the awareness about the importance of science in the daily life of people. The National Science Day calls for the continuous advancement of science in the country. Keeping this in our mind, we are celebrating the National Science Day every year. Thank you. Happy National Science Day. Impact of technology on society. Thank you.